A security mirror has many uses. It is ideal for both safety and surveillance. They provide a deterrence to shoplifters and thieves. Our mirrors offer outstanding visual quality and are commonly used internally in the retail environment, warehouses, shops, boutiques, stores, as well as externally for safety. Our hemisphere mirror eliminates blind spots for vehicle drivers and pedestrians. They provide a wider field of view than ordinary mirrors and reflect clear images. The security mirror is designed to reduce losses caused by vandalism and increases protection against theft. In short, the best features of the full hemisphere security mirrors are hemispherical 360-degree viewing, viewing distance up to 5 meters, high quality acrylic material, excellent image reproduction with a wide angle effect, no distortions on the edges of the mirror, clear distortion-free vision, easily fixed or hung on a chain, ideal for safety in warehouses, offices, shops, boutiques, stores, especially busy retailers. They can be used in various locations, often in corridors and hidden corners where you may need to see around corners. The hemispherical mirrors come in two sizes, 600mm or 800mm diameter. At Benn Lock & Safe, we provide the very best in quality at an economical price and offering free delivery with this product. Buy today with 100% confidence.